Hello and welcome to another lecture of NFT course for absolute beginners. In this lecture, we will learn about what is NFT in a simple way and what is the best marketplace to sell your NFT. So what is NFT? First of all, NFT stands for non-fungible token. It is defined as the digital art sold online on a blockchain. Why digital art should be sold on blockchain? Because it has more worth in the sense of money. Moreover, it gives the owner royalty on each further sale. So NFT stands for non-fungible token. First, we have to differentiate between fungible items and non-fungible items. Fungible items can be replaceable with something like, for example, you have $1 and your friend also have $1 at the same time. If you ask your friend, replace your $1 with me, he can replace with you because both have a same value in the market. So same amount of dollar currency notes can be replaceable. So it is a fungible item. But if we talk about Mona Lisa painting, which has only one artist, right? So that has a great value in the market and can't be replaceable with some other painting. So Mona Lisa and like paintings, digital arts are non-fungible items. So Mona Lisa is a non-fungible item. So when we talk about the non-fungible token, then for example, if you sell some non-fungible digital art to the buyer receives a token with a digital art. That token declares that the digital art is belongs to him now. Now we will discuss the example of NFT. When digital art is sold on an e-commerce marketplace, it will be sold at a time to a customer and the contract ended. But in blockchain, you will sell your digital art to the customer through cryptocurrency such as Ethereum. Your digital art is worth more money on a blockchain than on e-commerce marketplace. Moreover, you will get royalty in form of cryptocurrency on every further sale by your customer. Now we will discuss the best marketplace for NFT business. So OpenSea.io is a NFT marketplace and millions of sellers selling their NFT of worth of billions of dollars. We can actually buy and sell NFTs in OpenSea marketplace in cryptocurrency. We can also integrate our NFT wallet with OpenSea easily. How to make and integrate your NFT wallet, we can discuss it later in that course. So that's it with this lecture. We'll meet in the next lecture. Thank you.